Ajay Rotti, founder and CEO at Tax Compaas, is joining us. Just to put things into perspective, we're talking about the Hindenburg hit job. Mr. Rotti, very good morning to you. Thank you for speaking with us here at NDTV Profit. Now, while we've been talking about why this is a hit job, the hit job has been punctured. If you look at it factually and see the rebuttal, point-by-point rebuttal that has come in, is it now becoming apparent that Hindenburg actually has been clutching at straws?
Yes, you're right. I think there are two things which are apparent. One, that they are clutching at straws. And also the second thing is the timing and why are they doing it now? And that's becoming even more clear with the second response and everything that they're doing. The first time they were having allegations about individual stock and, whether they'd taken short position, they made money is all another story. But what did they do the second time? They're actually going after the regulator. And they're actually going after, in that sense, the entire market, even if they're short. You need to note, there's nothing about Adani again in the second set of allegations. And now they're doubling down. So clearly clutching at straws, no doubts about that.
Okay, so just the point, Mr. Rotti, when we speak to people who look at equities from an investing perspective, they believe that while there might be put positions, so on and so forth, not a major reaction, but that is a market's view. From somebody who looks at it not just from a lens of investing, but otherwise, since you mentioned this as clutching at straws, the beyond market impact, do you think, if any at all, would be very short-lived? Because these things tend to, like a hydra, tend to make a bit of a comeback every single point of time they are suppressed.
Yeah, so, in terms of beyond the market, what is their allegation? Even if you were to take it seriously and consider it, it's really about whether there are, the Indian regulator, and especially the SEBI chairperson, is independent or not, and if there are conflicts of interest. I think SEBI has a robust code of conduct for all their whole-time members, for the chairperson herself, in terms of disclosures, in terms of recusing themselves from matters when they are before a board. The decisions that Hindenburg says have been taken by SEBI are all taken by the board. Nothing is taken by a person alone, including the chairperson. Therefore, I don't think there is anything that we need to be looking at from a more governance perspective, improving how our regulator works and things like that. Of course, there's always a scope for improvement. Could these disclosures be made public? Could assets and transactions and conflicts of the whole-time members, chairperson now be put up on the SEBI website? Could be an improvement. But I don't think there's anything drastically different that needs to be done from how our regulations are or how SEBI functions today. That could possibly have been the only larger outcome that could have been if there was any credible allegations that they had actually leveled, which I don't think they have at this point.
And as we've been saying, the conflict of interest is apparent because they have a summons or a show cause notice to answer, which instead of answering, they've come back with this hit job. Thank you so much, Ajay Rotti, for speaking with us this morning.